Welcome to our comprehensive guide on unlocking the potential of YouTube as a lucrative platform for young creators in Bangladesh. Imagine turning your passion into profit, just like countless others who are already making a living through their YouTube channels. Today, we embark on a journey to explore how you can join this thriving community. YouTube isn't just a platform. It's an opportunity where creativity meets commerce, offering young Bangladeshis a chance to showcase their talents to the world and earn money doing what they love. In this segment, we'll delve into inspiring success stories that highlight the immense potential waiting to be tapped. Consider the rising stars from Bangladesh, whose innovative content has captured audiences worldwide. Their journeys are not just stories of success, but blueprints you can follow. They started with a simple idea, and through dedication and strategic monetization, they've transformed their channels into profitable ventures. So, whether you're passionate about cooking, tech reviews, or lifestyle vlogging, YouTube offers a stage for every interest. Get ready to learn how you can harness this platform's power to create engaging content and turn views into revenue. Let's dive in and discover how you can start your own YouTube journey today. Welcome to the next step in your YouTube journey, setting up your channel. This is where it all begins. First, you'll need to create a YouTube account. It's simple but crucial. Choose a catchy name that reflects your personality. Your channel name is more than just a title. It's the first impression you make on your audience. Once you've got that nailed down, focus on channel branding. A compelling banner and profile picture can set you apart. Now let's talk strategy. A strong content plan is essential. What kind of videos will you create? How often will you post? These questions will shape your channel's future. Remember, your content is the heartbeat of your channel. A well-set-up channel lays the foundation for success on YouTube. Take the time to get it right. Stay tuned as we dive into monetization strategies, starting with Google AdSense, where you can turn views into earnings. Welcome to this important segment on understanding AdSense, a crucial step in your YouTube monetization journey. Google AdSense is the primary method for earning money from ads displayed on your videos. To start earning, your channel must first meet specific eligibility requirements, including reaching a certain number of subscribers and watch hours. Once eligible, linking your AdSense account to YouTube is straightforward, allowing you to seamlessly earn revenue as your audience grows. AdSense opens up a world of financial possibilities, turning your passion into income. Whether you're sharing tutorials, vlogs, or creative content, the ads displayed can generate substantial earnings over time. But remember, it's essential to stay compliant with YouTube's policies to maintain your monetization status. Think of AdSense as a partnership with YouTube, where your creativity meets their platform to create mutual benefits. As you navigate through this process, keep in mind that patience and consistency are key. In the next segment, we'll dive into another lucrative opportunity: affiliate marketing. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to boost your YouTube income. Imagine promoting products you genuinely love and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. This is the essence of affiliate marketing, an opportunity to turn your passion into profit. First, it's crucial to choose the right products that align with your content and resonate with your audience. Consider what your viewers would find useful or exciting. This alignment ensures authenticity and builds trust with your audience. Next, seamlessly integrate these affiliate links into your video descriptions or content. Mention the products naturally during your videos, explaining why you recommend them. This approach not only informs, but also persuades your viewers to take action. By leveraging affiliate marketing, you can significantly enhance your revenue streams, complementing other monetization methods like AdSense. It's a strategy that requires thoughtfulness and honesty, but can pay off tremendously. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into more ways to monetize your channel, such as sponsorships and selling merchandise. Let's delve into the exciting world of collaboration. Focus on producing content that not only entertains, but also provides value to your sponsors. The more successful collaborations you establish, the more attractive you become to future partners. Next, we'll explore another exciting avenue for income: merchandising your brand. As you embark on your YouTube journey, merchandising offers an exciting avenue to connect with your audience while generating revenue. Consider what products could authentically represent your brand and resonate with your fans. Creating and selling merchandise not only turns your viewers into customers, but also deepens their connection with you as a creator. From custom t-shirts and mugs to exclusive digital content, the possibilities are vast. Platforms like Teespring or Spreadshirt can simplify the process, handling production and shipping while you focus on creativity. Engaging your audience with exclusive products can create a sense of community and loyalty among your subscribers. Remember, merchandise should reflect your unique style and message, ensuring it enhances your brand's identity. As you explore these opportunities, keep in mind that merchandising is not just about selling products. It's about building a lasting bond with your audience. In our next segment, we'll tackle the common challenges faced by new YouTubers and offer solutions to help you navigate them effectively. It's not always smooth sailing in the world of YouTube monetization. Many new creators enter the scene with high hopes, only to face unexpected challenges. A common misconception is that once you reach a certain number of subscribers, the money will just roll in. But in reality, it's a bit more complex. Beginners often struggle with meeting the eligibility requirements for programs like AdSense, or they may find it difficult to attract sponsors. But don't be discouraged. These hurdles are a natural part of the journey. The key is understanding these challenges and turning them into stepping stones for growth. Start by educating yourself on the different monetization methods and their requirements. Focus on creating content that not only attracts viewers, but also engages them. Seek advice from those who have navigated these waters before and learn from their experiences. With the right strategies, persistence, and a bit of creativity, these obstacles can be overcome. Remember, every successful YouTuber once stood where you are now, so arm yourself with knowledge and keep pushing forward. As we transition to our next segment, we'll dive into real-life success stories that will inspire and motivate you on your journey. Imagine starting from scratch, just like countless others, and rising to success in the world of YouTube. Today, we spotlight inspiring stories of Bangladeshi YouTubers who have achieved remarkable success. Meet creators who began with nothing more than a camera and a dream. Through perseverance and creativity, they've carved a path to success, proving that with dedication, anything is possible. These YouTubers faced challenges head-on, learning valuable lessons along the way. They discovered the power of engaging content and the importance of connecting with their audience. Each story is a testament to resilience and innovation, offering invaluable insights to new creators. Their journeys serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration, encouraging you to embark on your own YouTube adventure. Whether it's sharing your passion or building a community, these stories remind us that success is within reach for anyone willing to take the leap. Remember, every successful creator started somewhere. Let these stories motivate you to begin your journey today, knowing that your unique voice has the potential to inspire millions. Up next, we'll dive into practical tips for growing your channel and making your mark